So I've been traveling quite a bit lately, and if you follow me on Instagram, you would have probably noticed that. And the major reason is obviously work, but I honestly feel like this is the most I've traveled ever in a year, and it's probably because I'm now living back in my hometown. So whether it be for meeting my friends or attending their weddings, or obviously for work, I end up traveling, which is why I actually now have like a travel kit or like travel essentials of mine, which I always have stocked up. And I thought it would be great to share the same with you guys in case you guys are planning to travel, just in case you're missing something off your travel checklist. This video actually might be helpful, so let's get right into it. So this is going to be like a what's in my travel bag video. I did a what's in my bag video as well, but this is more travel focused. So starting off with the number one essential, and that is a disinfectant spray, and this is from Savlon. Honestly, I feel like in 2021 this is so important to carry with you. I know it's a little bigger in size, so if you're flying on airplanes, you cannot carry it in your handbag, so you need to check it in. But instead of this, you can also carry disinfectant wipes. I don't usually carry them, but I'm going to link them down below for you guys. I personally prefer this spray because I can just take it out of my handbag and just spray it all over without wetting my hands with the wipes, which is why I prefer this. Make sure if you're traveling, you have this with you at all times. Next up, I have obviously masks. Now it's an unsaid thing, I don't need to tell you to carry them, but I want to share the brand that I actually use. This is Uniqlo, and trust me, they are the most comfortable masks ever. They come in a pack of 3. I picked them up in the size medium, and you get this in grey, white and black. I prefer black because it literally goes with all the outfits that I wear, and it's so breathable. This is the only mask, and this is not sponsored by Uniqlo, but this is literally the only mask that I can wear throughout. So if I'm traveling on flights which are like 2 hours and over, I can easily and comfortably wear this throughout. Another mask, in case you are a little particular about matching it with your outfits, you can get those surgical masks on Amazon that are easily available in various different colors. So you get a purple, you get an orange, you get a pink, you get a red, literally all colors available, and they're also very affordable. So that is another option, but otherwise these Uniqlo masks are 100% recommended by me. Next up, I have my body roll-on, and you must have seen this in so many of my other videos as well. This is always in my purse or my bag. This is from Zara, and this is so convenient to carry. It's a little roll-on thingy, and whenever I'm feeling a little sweaty, which we all tend to do if you're traveling for long hours, you can just pop this out and it instantly makes you obviously smell good and also really fresh. Keep a body roll-on with you. It could also be from Nivea, Dove, any of those brands, but I personally prefer this because it's very sleek first of all, so it can fit in anywhere. Now next up, I've started carrying a little first aid kit with me. It mostly has band-aids and some really over-the-counter medicines. Especially if you're traveling abroad, you might not get the medicines that you are used to taking in India, so it's always good to carry these. I carry band-aids because I get so many shoe bites, especially when I'm on shoot outside. I have to wear heels, or weddings where you're wearing heels like 24 hours, not 24 hours, but like entire time. Band-aids are your only savior, which is why I love carrying them, and I have to carry them in my travel bag all the time. Now the next thing I've actually recently started carrying, and this is called the Twister from Bombay Shaving Company, and it's an all-in-one product, so it's great for showerless shaving and on-the-go shaving. This does not give you a full shave, so do keep that in mind, but it's great for touch-ups or any spots or patches that you might have missed before you left for your travel. This is great for that. So this comes with a spray. This is a refillable water spray that you need to like pre-wet your skin before you go in with your razor. It also has a soap right inside it, which makes your skin super smooth and moisturizes it so that the razor can glide on the skin super easily and smoothly. It also comes with 2 razors, which is what I absolutely love about it. It's a super compact product, and I have honestly started carrying it with me throughout because it's very easy to just put it in your bag and travel. I'm going to leave a link down below for you guys in case you want to pick it up. This is from the Bombay Shaving Company, and I also happen to have a promo code for you guys, which you will find in the description box and also on the screen. I highly recommend this product because it is honestly a savior when you're traveling. Next up in my bag, I always carry a sleeping mask with me. This is especially useful for me during flights or road trips when there is sunlight and I want to just doze off. This is super soft. It's from Miniso. It's also very cheap. It was like 190 or 150 rupees. I'm gonna leave all the links down below for you guys. So this is another travel essential for me, and if you guys haven't tried these out before, I suggest that you can give these a try. Now next up, I've started carrying these toilet covers with me. This one is from Sirona and I have mentioned it in my personal hygiene tips video as well. You can either carry that toilet spray, I usually carry that, but I've also started carrying these nowadays because I feel like just mentally I feel like the spray doesn't do like enough to clean the seat, so I put these on and then only use public toilets. This is obviously for public toilets. I feel like these are very handy for women especially because we need to sit and pee, so these come in super handy. Next up, I always carry some panty liners with me. Of course, if I'm on my periods, I have my pads with me, but panty liners is another thing that I always carry with me. Now this is something that I honestly just cannot travel without, and these are my AirPods. They also have a really cute cover. In case you guys want to pick it up, I'm going to link it down below. These have become so important for me. I used to feel like they're not really needed. I used to use the normal earphones before this, but after getting these, honestly it has made my life so easy. You can multitask so much. You can be on a call and like finish an edit or like do something alongside. So if you're someone who multitasks a lot, I suggest that you get AirPods if you have an iPhone, or at least any Bluetooth earphones, because they really help you multitask. Now the last thing in my travel bag is actually Orbit. I usually carry like gum or Polo or any mint, Listerine, anything that can make me feel fresh if I'm traveling for longer hours or I've taken a nap on a flight. I just puff this in and it really helps you get fresher breath. So this is something that I always carry with me. And lastly, you need to carry your final COVID vaccination certificate. All the airports ask for this, at least the ones that I've been to. And if you aren't fully vaccinated yet, you need to carry an RT-PCR test, which needs to be a 72-hour prior result at least. And yeah, this is something that needs to be with you all the time, because I think this is going to be like your passport to travel. And I think a lot of countries have already made it compulsory to connect it to your passport or something like that. I still don't know because I haven't traveled internationally yet, but this has been super handy for me because I don't have to go through the entire pain of getting an RT-PCR test 2 to 3 days before my flight. And yeah, this is super important. Of course, I've not covered things like phone and charger because those are like some necessary things that everyone usually carries, but this was about it. These are all my travel essentials or travel things that you'll always find in my bag. This bag actually is my mom's, it's not mine. So if you guys are going to ask me for the links, I don't have that. I've just borrowed it from her for a couple of days. So yeah, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope this short video was helpful and entertaining for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below which of these things do you not carry in your travel bag yet but will carry after watching this video. I would love to know about that. And of course, don't leave this video without hitting that like, share and subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video.